Welcome back, guys, to another episode of J Hook Fishing. I just received April 2020 Mr. Tackle Box in the mail. It still has the seal on it. Let's cut it, see what we got this month. Here we go. I'll let you get that first new box smell as it all falling out. Oh, get back in there. Preview, a juice jig. I figured there'd be a top water in there this time. Let's check it out. I'll do a juice jig. Ain't no top water. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, they're already, whoa, these are new cards. What is going on? This is weird. A lot of paperwork. Double cards. Where to fish these things. That's cool. Alright, let's do it by most expensive. 13 Fishing Motorboat Hybrid Prop Bait. So it is a top water. It's a monster. Whoa. Coming in at $8.99. Wowzers. Alright, next one, Googan Squad Juice Jig, $4.99. Alright, let's see. Next is Smart Baits Robbie Ribbon Worm. Looks like this. All sorts of phalanges on it. Open it up and check one out. Oh no, it doesn't have, it's just a little worm. No phalanges. Alright. And then next is Big Bite Baits Yo Mama 350. Looks like this. This would be the trailer to put on that juice jig. Alright. And then finally at $1, a whopping $1.80. Mustad needlepoint hook mix. Oh, okay, so there's two different types of hooks in there. So let's see how many fish we got. That makes one fish right there. This makes two fish right there. And then three fish. And do I already have this sticker? We get this way long time ago. Anyway, we'll see you out there, see if we can complete it. 3 fish to complete these 5 baits. Judson there, it's got his remote control boat. Show him. I got my mystery tackle box. I got 3 fish to catch to clear the box, but hey, as long as we catch one, that'll be good because the goal is one. The goal is always one.
I'm in the water.
All right, we'll start off with this jig. Oh, I'll head that way. I'm just gonna fish right here, then I'll come that way, okay? Oh, one hit. A little little one though. Stay on there. Ah. Missed another one. Another little one. Two hits on this. Good sign. A stinger hook would have been nice on this. I didn't think about that. That's three I've missed. I'm gonna put a stinger hook on this. Color changer bait. Started off green, changing pink and red. That's pretty neat. Let's see if it'll do the trick though. Oh. Well, there went that worm. There's one. Finally. Now that clears two baits, the worm and the hook. All right. On to the jig. Christmas tree out on the other side of this right here. Let's see if we can find it. Oh my gosh, that was a monster bass. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all got that. My heart went out of my chest. Oh my gosh. Why did he not eat that? Oh my gosh. That hurt my heart. Wow. How many hits is that now? 3, 4? Little one. Yes, sir. Yep. Coming that way. There's the jig. That's 4 baits down. Get on, be on there, stay on there, stay on there, stay on there to complete the slam. How you got the hook, I don't know, but you wanted it. Look at that. To complete the slam. All little dinks, but my goodness, guys, I saw Big Mama follow that juice jig. Holy smokes, I saw Big Mama. I hope she's on camera. But there you go, guys. Oh, I'm not. Look at that tank on top water.
Dad, come here and land.
You want to see him?
Let go. Here he is.
High five.
Finally, you caught one.
I caught 3. I completed the slam.
Wait, what the?
Guys, thanks for watching. We completed April Mystery Tackle Box in record timing, in under an hour maybe.
And we caught 3.
That's right, one
it's
on
the
every
record.
bait.
3 is the record, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.